Cool, clean, harmonious, and wonderfully delicious. All that describes the color blue, which is center stage of today's challenge. Get ready for a whole lot of one beautiful color, guys. Whoa, look at these balloons. Camilla, get in here right now. Check this out. Wow, this is really amazing. I suggest we have a bit of fun and make some noise. Wow, so pretty. Hey, what's with these blue pants? Seems like these balloons are magical. Ooh, love this. Let's keep going. Blue is so my color. This all looks amazing. Agreed. And the accessories are on fire.
Wow.
I think it's time to pop this very last balloon. Nice. I think we found ourselves in a challenge. So much cotton candy. What I wouldn't give to switch. I've got gummy strips. Let's see who will finish their portion first. I'm sure I can easily speed past you. We'll see about that. My candy is smaller in size and can be easily popped into my mouth. So I need to make mine smaller. Stand back, boys and girls. Compact this down just a bit more. That's much better, but I can do better. Phew, there we go. This I can eat in less than a second. And done. Oh, what the? Apparently your cotton candy puffed back up. I can't move. This plan backfired in a very serious way. Let's decide fairly who goes first. 1, 2, 3. Yay! I win! What? You lost. Did I? Too late now. Just take a gander at this lovely little blue sucker. Isn't it just wonderful? Not as wonderful as mine. Wait, why is yours bigger? That isn't fair. I can fix this. I need my super duper sucker pump. Haha, soon you'll just be dying of jealousy, Charlotte. I think a little bit more still. It's working. What are you doing? Fighting an injustice is what? This is what I'm talking about. What do you say to this big guy? You're right. It could be bigger. Ooh. Oh no! It exploded! No! Say it ain't so! Someone needs to learn to quit when they're ahead. Let the blue craziness continue. Oh, eyes! No way! Eyeballs? Anything but that! They're looking right at me! How frightening! I need to calm down and just pretend they're normal candies? They are candies. Gummy ones.
Hey!
And they're so tasty.
Wow!
I want more. Oh, so sweet. I'm ready to snack on these until I pop, morning, noon, and night. All gone? How sad. Oh, I still haven't gathered the courage to start. And you shouldn't rush, either. Let me see that. It ought to be thoroughly checked out. What if there's something wrong with it? See?
No!
I'm sorry, but I can't give this back to you. And the others should be inspected. They're all terribly dangerous and should be destroyed. Well, if you're sure. Charlotte, what are you doing? Destroying them? Don't interrupt my work. I'm a specialist of the highest order. I know what should be done. Open them together. What's this? Looks weird. I don't know, but mine's the same.
Wow!
Whoa, it lights up. How did you do that?
Ooh.
The button? Why isn't mine working? The stupid button isn't doing anything. Oh, come on, turn on already. Ooh, I guess I got the good one, and you didn't. Look at my laser sword work over here. Ugh, forget this useless thing. Ouch, my head. Not your lucky day, I see. Ooh, and what's this? Smells really good. It must be perfume. You're ridiculous. It's not perfume, it's candy. You eat it? How interesting. I'll try.
Wow.
Wow, it's sour and wonderful. You go. No, you first. Same time. Wow, that's unexpected. A necklace? Ooh, I was hoping for something tasty. Ugh, it's made out of sour candy, it's gross. But I never back down to a challenge. Watch this. Ugh, that sour taste will never leave me.
Ew.
Ooh, what if we add a little oil to the fire and give you some more tartness? First this, and then whatever's in this to follow. She's definitely gonna blow. Nothing seems to be happening. Camilla, what the heck? Just finishing what you started. I like it. Really? And you didn't leave me any? What a massive lollipop. And I've got mint candies. Not bad either.
Wow.
I can't wait any longer. Such a unique flavor. I hope I like mine too. Ooh, when did it get so cold in here? Those lozenges are gonna turn you into an ice queen. Let's test that. Hold on, Charlotte. My tongue has frozen to a lollipop. Now what do? I can't unstick it. I'll help you. Ugh, this isn't working. But I won't give up. I just need to get some leverage. You're going to rip my tongue out. We did it. Oh no. I really did rip it out. Oh, poor Charlotte. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to. Are you okay? You bought it, so I'm perfect. See? Still have my tongue. It was just a stupid joke. I see. I'm sure this next round will be the best yet. And I was right. I've got gum.
Wow.
Well, I've got a roll of candy too.
Ooh.
Race to the finish. You got it. 3, 2, 1, chew. I know how to ensure a swift victory. One little snip of the scissors, and I'll win. Charlotte, you can stop now. I'm all done. That can't be. That fast? Yeah, well, I can beat you at something else. I'm gonna stuff all this into my mouth and blow the biggest bubble you've ever seen. Go ahead, but I didn't agree to that. I already won. This is going so well. Not for long. Get that away from me, Camilla. Where are we?
Ooh.
Oh, I guess the challenge is over. Yeah, thanks to you. mad. You look great in blue. And so do you. Yeah, you better run. Did you think that was all? No way. Ahead are some bloopers that we saved just for you. While you're enjoying them, think about what blue food you love to eat, and then later tell us about them in the comments and give us a thumbs up.